Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you will be safe and sound at your home and enjoy your online study classes. Myself, Shweta Singh from Narayan Public School. Again, I am with you with the topic of how plurals are formed. Okay, student, as we know that we have already discussed the number of rules about plural forms, okay, in previous videos. Now again we will discuss here some another rules of changing singular form into plural forms. Okay, means we know in detail how singular noun is changed into plural nouns. Okay, so let's start, student. I have written here the another rule number 7, because we had discussed in previous video last 6 rules. So we will start from here. A few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular. Okay, means according this rule, some singular nouns change their inside vowel into another vowel and it becomes plural form, like man become me. What is happening here, student? Middle means middle or inside vowel is a here, it is changing here into e and it becomes plural form of man. Means what is the plural form of man? Man. So what is happening here? Inside vowel is changing into another vowel and it becomes plural form of that. Okay, now another example, students, here, so that you can make more clear about that. Woman. Okay, woman, we will change here again man and inside vowel is here a and it will be changed into e. So what it becomes? Woman into woman. Okay, now see another example. Tooth. Okay, it becomes teeth. Okay, so what is middle example? Middle vowel is o, o, double o. Okay, it will become another vowel e, e. So what it become? Teeth. What are you seeing? Inside vowel is changing into another vowel and it becomes what? Plural form of that. The tooth is singular, or what is the plural of tooth? Teeth. Okay, now foot, feet. Again same thing is happening here with foot. What is inside vowel o? It is changed into e. What it becomes? Feet. Means what is the plural form of foot? Feet. Like that, mouse. Okay, vowel of ou is changing into I. Okay, it becomes mice. What is the plural of mouse? Mice. Same thing, goose. Goose, the inside vowel is o is changing into e, so it becomes geese. So goose become geese. Okay, so are you observing, student, what is happening here? What is happening is means inside vowel is changing into another vowel and it becomes plural form of that singular noun. Is that clear? Go ahead. Okay, so next rule is rule number 8. See, student, here a few nouns that which form their plural by adding en to the singular. Okay, some singular nouns is changing means adding there in middle side their en word. En, like some very few words are there. Ox, oxen. Okay, ox is the singular form and if en added in the end it become plural of ox. Means ox is singular and what is plural of ox? Oxen, by adding en according this rule. Same like children. Okay, child and children. Okay, so what is the singular? Child, and what it becomes plural adding en and it becomes plural of child is children. Okay, now another rule is rule number 9. Some nouns are used only in the plural. Now we will discuss कि some nouns are always, in any case it is used like a one form as always plural form. Okay, it's never used like singular form. Okay, see, let's see what is these are. Number one, name of instrument which have two parts forming a kind of pairs. Okay, means including here what which type of instrument, some kind of instrument which is always in a pair or having a two part. It is showing always a plural form, it never shows its singular form. Okay, like scissor, tongs, spectacles, bellows, it's all instruments having two parts. Okay, two parts means having two, it's include two, tongs, spectacles, billows, it means it's have always in a pair, so it always used as what, in which form, plural form, remember that. Okay, now come on second number, name of certain article of dresses, means certain dresses always used like a plural form, like trousers, drawers, jeans, pajamas, etc. These all are your dresses. This type of dresses always shows their plural forms. Is that clear, student? Are you getting? Now come on some another noun which is always used as, see, used as plural form. What is that? Certain other nouns. Certain other nouns are always used as plural form. You have to remember it. Like annals, thanks, tidings, assets, chattels. Okay, these certain nouns is always used as plural forms, means these are always used as plural forms. You have to remember that, students. Till now I'm going to over that, but there are numbers of rules, okay, of plural forms, and we will discuss in another part. Next video we will discuss the some next rules, some another rules, some more rules about plurals are formed. Okay, how plurals are formed, means rules of changing singular form to into plural forms. Okay, so now you will read it, watch it, understand it, and note it down in your notebook. Till then, have a good day. Okay, and enjoy your studies, continue your study, and be safe. Okay, stay at your home. Bye bye.